Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AlfaBot window cleaning robot with dual water spray, X8 robot window cleaner with double-side water spray and voice assistant. Smart window vacuum for interior-exterior high-rise windows. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: dual water spray, double-sided water outlets can spray to all the directions. Self-adjustable suction, this window cleaning robot will automatically vary suction from 2600 to 2800 PA to climb up and remove different stains. Voice Assitant, with smart voice assistant you can easily to start and troubleshooting. Visible water tank, with visible 50 ml water tank, you will know when you need to add water. Intelligent detect window frames, you can use it on framed windows or unframed glass. Auto path cleaning, 3 auto cleaning mode and manual control for spot cleaning. Upgraded cleaning pads, makes your windows spotless and without any streaks. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.